Hi everybody, you may know me as Ruby Link. I worked with Moshi Monsterist, my BFF. I wrote this song quite a while ago, and it's called Flying Like a Bird, and I hope you enjoy it. Sometimes I wish I could fly like a bird in the sky, you're so very high, like a diamond in the sky, with not a care in the world. Where I go, what I do, oh, I wish I had wings so I could fly, be free forever. Until the day that I die, so let me fly forever. Be free, let my heart go where it wants to go. So let me fly, find my soul, let me fly. And I say, I wanna be free, flying higher, so high in the sky, but we can't always get what we wish for. The only time we have for these things are in our dreams, but I do wish to be free and fly, oh, so high. I wanna be a swan, I wanna be an owl, but hey, no one cares what I want, do they? I wanna be a raven, I wanna be a fairy, I really want, oh, I so want to fly, whoa, whoa, whoa. But hey, no one cares what I want, do they? That's what I thought. I want to fly, fly, fly.